So this is how you can activate your personal hotspot on the iPhone, whichever version of iPhone you have. Let's get into it. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have the cellular data set up. That means that you have a proper SIM card installed, that you have a reception, and that you on this device can connect to the internet without Wi-Fi and just through the cellular data, right? But then you open up the settings on the iPhone, and then you should be able to see the cellular as well as personal hotspot. They might be separated like this, but if not, you should also just tap on a cellular and the hotspot should be available right there inside of these settings as well. So you can get inside and there is just one toggle which you need to allow, and that is allow others to join. When you do so, the iPhone will start having this like Wi-Fi available for other devices, and there's also going to be the Wi-Fi password, which you can customize and decide how it's going to work. So you can set it up, and this is the one that the other people need to type in to join your network. Also, there is the maximize compatibility toggle below, which I also think that you should take a look at, as it depends on which device you are connecting to, but when you enable the maximize compatibility, it means that the most amount of devices will be able to connect. So if you seem to have troubles, make sure you keep this option turned on and all devices will have the connection available. If you don't have any issue, then I would recommend you to keep it turned off, as it can reduce the performance slightly. So it is something, yeah, depends on your situation. And on the other device, you can easily just open up the Wi-Fi. If it's an iPhone, then you should see like a different logo next to it. So it's not like a regular Wi-Fi, but it's a personal hotspot. But other than that, it just works like a separate Wi-Fi router. So that's it. I hope I have managed to explain it somewhat clearly. If I did an okay job, go ahead and hit the thumbs up to let me know about it. Subscribe so you never miss tutorials in the future like this one. And I'm gonna see you in the future tutorials.